Alrighty, boys, quick farm sink install tutorial. This farm sink has an apron on it, so it's going to be an easy one. We don't have to scribe it in to the apron on the cabinet. So what we're doing is we're going to find center in our opening. Like so. We got 36 3/4, so we'll go 18 3/8. Double check it from the other side. Got 18 3/8. Then we're going to measure the width of our farm sink, and we're at 34 inches minus. So we'll come over 17 inches here, 17 inches here. Trace that line down, trace that line down. For our height, I'm just measuring like that. See what I need for clearance. We end up being at like 6 inches. So we're going to pull 6 inches down and cut her out. For our supports on the side, we're going to drop a 2x4 in like so. It'll overlap the edge of the sink, and the sink will just hang right off those 2x4s. Now to drop our supports in and then set the sink in there. So to get our depth, I set my square to the same depth. I usually go just below the height of the sink. Got him. Forgot to pull my tape. Easy, easy. Sink has an apron on it, so you don't have to worry about scribing anything in. And then for a quick double check to make sure I have my height correct, I'll take a straight edge and slide it in. So it looks like we got a little bit of gap back there. That's looking good. Front's looking good over here. And we got a little bit of a gap back there. So I'm going to take some shims, slide it under the sink on the back to lift that back. Just take a shim, slide in. I'm not looking for crazy tight. I want a little 3/16 inch gap there. What you're looking for, just below. That's how you drop in a farm sink.